And now it's time for this week's Look Through Life. Our missions emphasis for the month of August supports the Kennedy Foundation Girls Safe House located in Korcia, Albania. The Girls Safe House provides a refuge for girls rescued from physical, sexual, and emotional abuse, allowing them to find shelter in a Christ-centered environment. You may give online or via the Church Center app all month long by utilizing the monthly Missions Emphasis Fund. The Oxygen Choir is a gospel-centered community of local singers, and the new season is kicking off with Open House this Monday at 6:40 p.m. There are no fees or auditions to participate, and the choir is open ages 12 and older. Rehearsals are Monday evenings at 7 p.m. Kid Life invites all children up to 5th grade to our back-to-school celebration this Friday at 6:30 p.m. We will have a foam party with snow cones, so be sure your children bring a swimsuit and a towel. Also, all Kid Life team members, current and new, are asked to join us for our Kid Life Fall Kickoff next Sunday following the second service. Lunch will be provided, and we will meet in the sanctuary. Register via the Church Center app or reach out to Rebecca Peters at rpeters@lifecharlotte.com. Anyone interested in serving are welcome to join. Ladies, join us for the Ladies of Life Fall Kickoff, taking place Saturday, August 29th. Come enjoy fellowship, worship, prayer, refreshments, door prizes, and more as we share the vision for the upcoming fall studies, which will launch on September 9th. You'll also be able to meet leaders and connect with one another ahead of the fall season. If you're newer to Life Fellowship, we'd love to have you join us for Dine with the Pastors on Sunday, August 30th, following the second service. This is an opportunity to enjoy a delicious lunch, meet our pastors and leadership team, connect with others, and hear a brief overview of Life Fellowship and the vision for our ministries and service opportunities. Register via the Church Center app today. Life Worship will be holding worship team auditions in mid-September. All are welcome, but we are especially looking for guitar and keys players at this time. If you are interested and want to learn more, reach out to Alex Hensley at ahensley@lifecharlotte.com. And that's all for this week's Look Through Life.